and now this year is the 10th anniversary of the Belt and Road Initiative. As we know that China-Pakistan Economic Corridor is the flagship project of BRI, so it is also the 10th anniversary of the CPEC, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. For instance, I know in the last 10 years, 236,000 jobs have been created. So 8,000 megawatts of electricity has been generated. And there are many other aspects, but the point is that it has helped improve the living standards of people. So that's the social side of it. The economic side of it is the energy projects, the infrastructure projects, the transport projects. Also on the environmental side, I think there is a lot of focus on the environmentally sound projects. And also technology is also an important component of China Economic Corridor, our bilateral relationship. BRI to me is essentially a highway or a journey to common prosperity. And the fundamental feature of BRI was connectivity. And within that connectivity theme was infrastructure and energy. These are essential ingredients for economic development, because unless you have a good quality infrastructure, it is very difficult to establish or to utilize industry, because industry needs linkages, ports, roads, railways, so that goods and transport can reach quickly and efficiently. And in this process, when you build roads, when you build railways, when you build ports, you create jobs, you create more prosperity, the living standards of the people improve. And then over time, it also helps the countries increase their economic productivity. So there was connectivity. Within connectivity was infrastructure, energy, and so many, these are the ingredients. At the end of the day, this was a concrete manifestation of win-win cooperation.